Let's do this. Take my car. This is a sprint. Tight corners with plenty of gravel, jumps, dips and lots of off-cambered sections. Good clean. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hairpin left. Medium right. Medium right. Medium left. Medium left. Medium right. Jump. Hairpin left. Easy left, then easy right. Medium left. You're making excellent time here, don't let up. Medium right, followed by hairpin right. Hard left. Hard right. Medium left. Crest, then hairpin right. Medium right, into crest. Medium left, into crest. Medium right. Medium right. Jump. Medium left. Easy left. Crest. Into jump maybe. Hairpin right. Medium left. Medium right. Crest. Medium left. Crest. Into jump maybe. Easy right. Medium right. Crest. Then easy left. Easy right. Then surface change to sand. Jump. Then hard left. Crest to jump maybe. Medium right. Water. Hard right. Medium right. Water. Medium left. Medium left. Easy right. And finish. Everybody loves a street race or track day, but I'm saying it doesn't compare to getting outdoors, taking in the majesty of nature, and chucking around big chunks of dirt with your rally tyres.
When you put it like that, you make a good case. But, like I said to Ale, I'm not taking sides.
I want what's best for Horizon, which is close competition. All I'm saying is, my knowledge of Mexican roads and conditions is so much better than anyone else that I have to race at night.
Very considerate of you.
I thought so. It's also a good life lesson, my friend. Be careful when you open your mouth, or someone might make you go through with it.
You could always admit you were bluffing, Remy.
What? Never. Head for the dunes. Visibility and forecasts are very bad, but I think the helicopter has a searchlight. We'll be fine.
In 400 meters, turn left.